Hello everyone, I am Fareen Hina and welcome to my new video. In today's video, we are going to learn about HTML rule structure and line break element. Let's learn first about HTML rules. Number 1, tag names and attribute names are case sensitive. However, using lowercase is recommended. Number 2, attribute values should always be enclosed within quotes. Double style quotes are the most common, but single quotes are also allowed. Number 3, attribute values can be sensitive. The W3C, the body that develops standards and specifications for HTML documents, recommends lowercase attribute values. Number 4, spaces between tags do not matter. Number 5, tag names cannot contain space. Structure of an HTML document. Structure of an HTML document. An HTML document contains two parts, head and body. The head section contains information about the document. The body section contains everything that is displayed on the web page. It includes text, graphics. Example for an HTML document. The element is the starting element in an HTML document and specifies the type of document. It is an empty element and does not have a closing tab. The HTML element is written after the document type HTML element and defines the document as an HTML file. It is a container element. The head element is a container element that includes identification and additional information about the document. Most of this is not displayed. The title element has the title of your web page. This is the title that is displayed in the title bar when you view the page in a browser. Body element has the main content of your web page. It includes text, images, etc. Line break element. The browser does not recognize paragraph formatting in HTML text. If you want to start a new line, you need to insert a line break with less than sign BR greater than sign. This element has no end tag. Let us consider the example. Here in front of you is the example for line break element. So like this, you can type on the word page and your paragraph will be automatically typed in the HTML site when you are going to save it. So hope this video was useful for you all. Meet you all in the next video.